Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. Welcome back to today's session, and today's session let us discuss about the most important sums from the topic logarithms. Right? What is given the question here? If 0.37 whole to the power of x equal to 0.037 whole to the power of y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay children, so what is given, let us write here. 0.37 whole to the power of x equal to 0.037 whole to the power of y equal to 1000. How can we write 1000 children? 1000 I can write as what? 10 to the power of 3, 10 cube, right? 10 to the power of 3. Okay, now I can equate 0.37 whole to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of 3. I can equate 0.37 whole to the power of x equal to 10 to the power 3. Okay, here we have power in x. Transpose towards right hand side, it will become 0.37 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x. So here we have power, we transpose towards right hand side. Okay, 0.37 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x, right? Yes. Now coming to second one, that is 0.037 whole to the power of y equal to 10 to the power of 3. Okay, we have y in power, transpose towards right hand side, it will become 0.037 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. 10 to the power of 3 by y. Now 1 minute children, if you concentrate here 0.037 is there. 0.037 I can write as 0.37 by 10. We are dividing by 10. I mean we have 1 0. If it is when we are dividing by 10, what will happen? This decimal point is there, no? This shift towards left hand side 1 place. Again this will become what? 0.037 only. As per our convenience, why we are writing? Because as per our convenience, 0.037 we can write as 0.37 by 10. Because 0.37 value is there, 10 power 3 by x. Due to that reason 0.037 I can write as 0.37 by 10. 0.37 by 10. Children, is it clear? Is nothing but 10 to the power of 3 by y. What is the value of 0.37 children? As the value of 0.37 is 10 to the power of 3 by x. So 10 to the power 3 by x divided by 10, nothing is there, nothing but in the power we have 1 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Now which is in the form of a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. What is the formula of a power m divided by a power n? Nothing but a power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So this I can write as 10 to the power of 3 by x minus 1 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. See now, as the bases are same, I can equate powers. So 3 by x minus 1 equal to 3 by y. So 3 by y you transpose children. So 3 by x minus 3 by y minus 1 you transpose, this will become plus 1. Now I can take 3 as common. So 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1. As 3 is multiplying here, you transpose towards right hand side. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. Actually children, what they are asking? They are asking to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to how much? Which is nothing but 1 by 3. Right? Children, we have one more question in our textbook. What is our question? Let me write here. Our second question is, we have in textbook this question, that is 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 0.23 whole to the power of y equal to 1000. Same question. So the difference is here after decimal point we have 2 digits. Here after decimal point we have 3 digits. But whereas here after decimal point we have only 1 digit. Here we have only 2 digits. Similar question. See, ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండాలంటే once again you listen here. Similar manner, what you do? 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 1000 I can write as 10 to the power of 3. Second one, 0.23 whole to the power of 5 equal to 1000 I can write as 10 to the power of 3. Right? So x you transpose, this will become 2.3 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x. Now can you say me children, how to write 0.23? 0.23 I can write as 2.3 by 10. నేను రాయగలనా? I can write as 2. So first let me transpose here. 0.23 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. As per my convenience, sometimes you are not understand. Simple గా షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్తా చూడండి. ఇక్కడ 2.3 ఉంది కదా, అదే ఇక్కడ రాసేసి డివైడెడ్ బై 10 చేసుకోండి. దీని మీనింగ్ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే 2.3 by 10 మీనింగ్ 0.23. సరే మీరు ఏదో నాకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చేస్తున్నారంటే నేను ఏం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు మిమ్మల్ని. ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వాల్యూ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ హియర్ వి హావ్ 2.3 by 10 రాసేయండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి వి హావ్ 0.37. అప్పుడు 0.037 ఎట్లా రాశాను? 0.37 by 10 రాశాను. అంతే, అంతకు మించి ఏం లేదు ఇక్కడ. రైట్? సో 2.3 by 10 ఈక్వల్ టు 10 to the power of 3 by y. 2.3 value how much? 10 to the power of 3 by x by 10, nothing in the sense 1 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Right? Now again, which is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. I can write as a power m minus n equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Again bases are same. If bases are same, power should be equated. 3 by x minus 1 equal to 3 by y. Plus 3 by y you transpose, it becomes minus 3 by y equal to 1. If I take 3 common, 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1. So again 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to, what is the answer? The answer is 1 by 3. Children, is it clear? This topic, if whatever they ask the sum, we can do it easily. Okay, this is the one of the most important topic. Now they are asking for 8 mark children. Now coming to second important topic from this logarithm. If log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Right? Whatever the given, that you write down first of all. In general గా logarithms అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ భయపడుతూ ఉంటారు. అసలు వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇంతకంటే ఈజీ టాపిక్ అనేది ఉండదు. What is given, you write down. Everything we will derive from the previous step only. Log of x plus y equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. Okay, this is our log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into, children, what is the formula of log x plus log y, which is product law? Log x plus log y I can write as log x into y, that is log xy. So this is only formula. We wrote log x plus log y as log x into y. Now if you observe here children, which is in the form of m log a, which is in the form of m log a. M log a I can write as log a to the power of m. M log a I can write as log a to the power of m. So log x plus y by 3 equal to, power m is there, no, it goes into the power. I can write as log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. So log gets cancelled. So x plus y by 3 equal to xy whole to the power of 2. I can write as root xy. Etla rayachu, xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. I can write as root xy. Now cross multiplication, x plus y equal to 3 into root xy, 3 root xy. Now what do you do children? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. I mean x plus y whole square equal to 3 root xy whole square. So what is the formula of x plus y whole square? that is x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 3 square 9, square root gets cancelled, xy. I mean 9xy. So plus 2xy you transpose x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. So x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. From 9 you subtract 2. 9 minus 2, 7xy. Okay. Actually they are asking to find the value of x by y plus y by x. What we will do, let us divide xy on both sides, right? So x square by xy plus y square by xy equal to 7xy by xy. X square meaning is x into x. 1x cancel. 1y cancel. Here xy cancel. So we got x by y plus y by x equal to how much, children? Which is nothing but 7. So what is the value of x by y plus y by x? Value is 7. Okay. In case if the paper is tough, they will ask 8-mark question from the logarithms only. Okay. Children, you try to do it, easily you will get. No doubt at all. Practice makes man's perfect. Practice చేసినట్లయితే మనం పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవుతాం. అందుకోసమే easily we can do this sum. So children, these are the most important 8 marks from the topic logarithms. If at all they are not giving irrational number concept or else Euclid division lemma concept, then they will go with logarithms. From real numbers we have 3 topics. First topic is Euclid division lemma. By using EDL to show that square of any positive integer or cube of any positive integer. That is the first topic. Second topic is irrational number concept. Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational or root 3 minus root 5 is irrational, or else this topic. So as we discussed all the two previous in the previous video we discussed the 2 topics, and in this video we discuss logarithms, important 8-mark question. Children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friend children. Thank you.